everyone, today we're going to see how to prepare a methi matar pulao. So this is definitely a healthy recipe, as the name suggests. Methi, definitely must be knowing a lot of health benefits of the methi leaves or the fenugreek leaves, and along with matar it's going to actually balance the taste, because matar has got a little sweetish taste and methi has got a little bit of bitterness, so it actually balances it. And definitely on a tiring day, this particular recipe can be prepared very fast. Need not have too much of chopping and all that. All you have to do is only clean the methi leaves, and if you keep it one day before, the work becomes more simpler for you. It's packed with nutrients of rice, methi as well as peas. All put together, it's going to be a very healthy lunchbox meal. And this can be served along with some papads or tomato raita or any simple raita. So let's see how we can prepare this. I've taken one small bunch of methi leaves. I have washed it and chopped it finely. I have not taken the stems, only the leaves I have finely chopped it. About a small bowl of fresh peas, 1 cup of basmati rice, 2 to 3 tablespoons of the bath mix. That is for preparing the bisibala bath or the wangi bath or any types of bath. Some cashews, about 1 tablespoon, half of lemon squeezed, and some whole masalas like cinnamon sticks, cloves, jeera, red chilli, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 1 onion finely chopped, 3 to 4 green chilies. The ginger and green chilli will be ground to a fine paste, 1 tomato finely chopped, 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt as per taste. First I've heated a pan and I've added around 2 tablespoons of ghee. First we'll fry the cashews and we'll keep it aside. Now once the cashews are fried, we're just going to keep this aside. And in the same ghee, I'll be adding in the whole masalas, the red chilli, cloves, cinnamon, jeera, and after that I'll be adding in the finely chopped onions and the garlic and also the green chilli. Fry this for about a minute. Now in the fried onions, I'll be adding the ginger and the green chilli paste which I've ground in the mixie. Let's fry for a few minutes. Now we'll add in the finely chopped tomatoes as well. Fry for a few more. After adding the tomatoes, I'm also adding the fresh peas. And let's saute this for a few minutes. I'm also adding the finely chopped methi leaves. Please remember to chop only the leaves and not the stem. Fry for a few minutes. Just for your understanding, if this is stem, this is the methi leaves. I've only taken the leaves like this and collected all the leaves together and finely chopped it. Now I'll add in the turmeric powder, salt as per taste. Just adding the salt so that it is enough for the rice as well. Just saute it for a few minutes. And we'll also add in the bath powder. The preparation of the bath powder is given in the description box below. Just adding 3 tablespoons of this bath powder. Adding the bath powder gives you a very different flavor for the rice. You can see that the methi leaves have totally shrunk. At this stage, I'm going to add the rice along with the water. I've soaked this for half an hour. For 1 cup of basmati rice, 2 cups of water, which is 1:2. In case you want a different flavor, you can also try using the jeeraga samba rice or the jeera rice. It will have a very good flavor. Now since the water has come to a boil, at this stage I'm just going to close the pressure pan and I'm going to leave it for 2 whistles. So I've transferred to the serving bowl. Finally, I'm just going to squeeze in half of lemon. You can also add the coconut milk powder or the coconut milk itself. That will also add flavor to this recipe. Finally, I'm going to just garnish this with some cashew nuts. The flavorful and yummy methi matar pulao is ready to be served. This can go along with raita or with papads. So I hope you'll all try out this recipe, and if you like it, please share it with your friends and relatives. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and also not forget to click on the bell icon for further interesting recipes and notifications. Thank you and have a wonderful day.